Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿 Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Byron Messia and Suarez. That's how you say his name, right? Suarez. Byron Messia and Suarez with a song called Lala. Get it right? Lala. Alright, so we're gonna jump in on one here where the G have to say because myself Byron Suarez, let's go. Hello, sir. Sorry to interrupt your video. We're here with another promotional deal. So this deal is running from the 1st of December to the 31st of December. So make sure say wanna link me in my DMs, Jamaica_worst_gamer for your chance to have your channel, to have your music video or audio on this platform. Link me up. Serious artists only. You understand? I feel like Santa Claus, cause it's a December now and a December month. I feel like Santa Claus.
No mix me with Santa. I be a gun, I just sponsor.
Alright. Back to the video.
Yo, bang. Fully don't know say a gangland.
Bang. Melody, you know. Big up the melody god, you know. Be a melody, I'm going forward with it now. Big up the editing team, first of all. Let's big them up first of all, because big up the production team behind the one, because we see some amazing things happening right now. The whole, which one is New York is there or something? What the whole, all I believe in them on fire and carry them a drive normal. Big up on yourself.
Them say they were ready to start, and you can't miss me killer them with a carry notch. Just get your flight figure down Trinidad. See them time me touch down, me a feeling calm man. Hear them say they were ready to start, and you can't miss me killer them with a carry notch.
Yo, boss say in here say wanna say wanna ready for the war, but just don't say you wanna can't this none of him killer them. Wanna can't this them brother. The boss ready, him killer them ready. Anything he says goes. Puppy, sick him. Dead.
Hear them say they were ready to start.
Yeah.
You can't miss me killer them with a carry notch. Just get your flight figure down Trinidad. See them time me touch down, me a feeling calm man. Just think Mikey about 15 grand. So you know we have to pull up in a brand new van.
Them just link Mikey and about 15 grand. So him a link up him day one them. Him a link up the real killers them. And I give them feed them bread. Cause you don't know so the dogs them have to eat. Cause if the dog them not eat from your hand, the dog them a go eat your hand. Just know that. You get it? Yeah.
Just get your flight figure down Trinidad. See them time me touch down, me a feeling calm man. Just think Mikey about 15 grand. So you know we have to pull up in a brand new van. What make you think say me race one down? Cause him put me in a millionaire position.
Boss I tell you say yo, why you think say him rate Swanee? Why you think him rate Swandan? Because Swandan put him on, Swandan bring him to the table and say, yo, see the food you consume. You see me? Not literally food, but you don't know. He must say, yo, Swandan turn him in a millionaire. You see me? So big up Swanee for that.
Come on, just think Mikey about 15 grand. So you know we have to pull up in a brand new van. What make you think say me race one down? Cause him put me in a millionaire position.
Yeah.
Yo bandy so me knock it. Any pussy violate and so me shot it. When the rifle and knock like you with that shit. Mountain people are fast like you that's it.
Bumbleclaw. Ease. Pull up the tune. Bumbleclaw. Ready again. Hold on, the boss going a while ago. Let's go.
Position. Yo bandy so me knock it. Any pussy violate and so me shot it. When the rifle and knock like you with that shit. Mountain people are fast like great assist. When the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓 people dead from a stick man say that is it. That is it. And I know the black hot like the matches flick. Fast like great assist. When the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓 people dead from a stick man say that is it. That is it. And I know the black hot like when matches flick. Yo, Panther, them fin woman dog. Them can't this is CTG cam. A60 when I link with facts. Send them home to them gods.
Send them on to the gods. I'm gonna say all the 6 And the Z take them no link with frauds. So you don't know, say I be a real niggas the man them link with. That is it, man.
Yo, Panther, them fin woman dog. Them can this is ETG cam. Here 60 when I link with facts. Send them home to them gods. Draco not just like Wakadan. Yo, Puppy 6 tell me how I figure.
Draco and not like Wakadan. Wakadan, our next artist, right? I'm sure I'm see that name there somewhere where they must say, "Oh, react to Wakadan." I'm sure. If I'm wrong, correct me. But Wakadan is one of the 6 artists, them, right?
Draco not just like Wakadan. Yo, Puppy 6 tell me how I figure. Link Tyson, the way 6 stand. No for them pussy can't go a same pass.
I be a melody, the boss, I give me a melody, you fuck.
Say they want smoke, so me give them a vape. Can't fuck with disease, you can't fuck with it.
Say them want smoke, so me give them a vape. Brother, the reason why me go on a vape, because I'm not ready for that smoke, where me, I go let out, man. Oh no, know that, you beer this one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more, 7, 8. One more, 9, 10. That the type of smoke that the boss I give. So yo, listen, you're not ready for that smoke, you just go a vape. Bars. Bars! What on?
Say they want smoke, so me give them a vape. Can't fuck with disease, you can't fuck with it. Fully mask up like we are buck in a place. And a decimal point when 7.6 to a shot in a face.
Whew. Fully masked up like so we're broke in a place. And a decimal point, when you see a 7.6 to a bus in a face. Just don't say the 7.6 to the cartridge. We are come out of the
like we are buck in a place. My vape can't fuck with disease, you can't fuck with it. Fully mask up like we are buck in a place. And a decimal point when 7.6 to a shot in a face. Before COVID outbreak, the pussy them been a lock in a place.
Before COVID outbreak, the pussy them been lucky in. The pussy them afraid to come outside from them time there. Cause what? Are we outside? Are we in the road like the white line? Them pussy them on the sidewalk. Them have to stay up on the sidewalk. Cause them not bad. No, them not bad. No.
Fully mask up like we are buck in a place. And a decimal point when 7.6 to a shot in a face. Before COVID outbreak, the pussy them been a lock in a place. God know how long me a wait. Roll with the rope, a grip of people get serious. So we catch them brawling in the morning. Outside yarning, catch them dawning.
When we catch them, first thing in the morning with them outside yarning. Yeah, broad morning where everybody can see him.
So we catch them brawling in the morning. Outside yarning, catch them dawning. Just shut them and escape them charges. Ever have one up like sexy passes?
Just shut them and escape the charges. So anything we have to do for escape, we have the money we can buy out the case quick and fast. Yeah, always one up like CXC. One up.
Just shut them and escape them charges. Ever have one up like sexy passes? The keys are free up like traffic warden when pedestrian passing. On a dark yard when the air are blasting. When the shark teeth them start let out no business who can't swim. Regular my dogs and bleach. Pull up on them and stick boy on street.
Yo, can I just say something? Big up, and this is a very special big up. Big up the production team behind the one year dog. Money well spent in another video shooter. And you can see it. Money well spent. So Byron, big up yourself and big up your team, bro. Big up yourself and big up your team, fam. Money well spent, bro. No joke.
Have one up like sexy passes. The keys are free up like traffic warden when pedestrian passing. On a dark yard when the air are blasting. When the shark teeth them start let out no business who can't swim.
When the shark teeth them start let out. When the shark teeth them start let out, no business who can't swim.
When the shark teeth them start let out, no business who can't swim. Regular my dogs and bleach. Pull up on them and stick boy on street. When our man put the Drake up and blood got repeat. Head a bust up in about 8 piece. No regular we bleach. Pussy them at this plant boy like seed. Mother all I head on a blood got grief. Boy this sweet them know them no live long to see another day them dead boy. Hear them.
This we know them dead now. Them this we know, them dead. No, them not live this year another day. No, not live past 12 o'clock. No, no sanky, no sing, so a bomb buckler. To not go dead. Hold this. Suck your mother now. Alright, so we have the St. Kitts flag. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. We have the Trinidad flag and we have the Jamaica flag. Yeah, so the boss are telling the country them where I'm rip for. Big up yourself, Byron.
Boy, this sweet, them know them no live luck to see another day, them dead boy. Yeah. Them say they want ready for start, and you can't miss me killer them with they carry hatch. Just get your flight figure down Trinidad. See them time me touch down, me a feeling calm man. Just think Mikey about 15 grand, so you know we have to pull up in a brand new van. What make you think say me race one down? Cause him put me in a millionaire position. Yo bandy a so me knock it. Any pussy violate and a so me shot it. When the rifle and a clutch drove with a kick. Mount of people a pass like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. When the jail got it. People that from a stick man say that is it. That is it.
That is it.
That is it. And I know the black hot like when matches flick.
Matches flick.
Yo, Panther, them fin woman dog. Them can't this is ETG, can't.
Nope.
A60 when I link with frats. Send them home to them gods. Draco and not just like Wakodan. Yo, Puppy 6 tell me how I figure on. Link Tyson, 6 down. Before them pussy can't. No, I see them balls.
Not for them pussy that can't go see St. Paul's. La 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 la. La 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 la. Bumbleclad. Byron! Oh, yeah. That one a bad. That one a bad. Me like this. Alright, hold on. That is it.
Byron, a real D-Log, a real artist like that.
The G a chip a while ago. That is it.
That is it.
Yeah.
That is broken out. Yeah, man. Byron, a real D-Log, a real artist like that.
Yo, big up yourself, Byron. Big up yourself. You don't know, so you support them out here. Ready for support you. Anything goes, bro. Big up yourself. Yo, once again, big up the fucking production team. Who produced that one? Let me see if I can see who produced that one. I can't see. You not tell me. Lala, big up yourself. Bad song. Real bad song. I like it. Let me see if I can see who produced that one, so I can give them a personal big up. Cause that one is bad enough, bro. No, I'm not see it. But yeah. Anyway, either way, production team, big up on yourself. Byron, big up yourself. Swan Dan, put you on. Put you in a millionaire position. Big up yourself. Swan Dan, big up yourself. Prince Swanee. Yo, bad. They enjoy the one. And once, as expected, lots of melodies from Byron himself. So Byron are the melody god, bro. So Byron, they do it. Me, they do it. I go jump off of that reaction, you know. I'm going to do what I have to do. So big up on yourself. Guys, if you don't like the video, I want to see more from your G, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new. And I will see you. Yes, I will see you in the next one.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.